The mount comes with zip ties, or you can use Velcro or double-sided tape to attach it to any wall. Make sure the pipe is nice and clean so the sensor has a proper contact. So attach the clamp to the back. To install the battery, we have to take this cap off. Unscrew this screw. I will now install the batteries. And it uses AA batteries. And after you screw it back in, you put the cap back on and place it back into the mount. And now I'm going to attach the PowerX Water Sensor into the Ultrasonic Water Sensor. Now I'm plugging in the leak detector cable. To calibrate the sensor, screw it in so the light stays on. And that shows that it's working properly. And once the installation is complete, you can go to the PowerX app Terra to monitor your water.